Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Chotu the cat went out one day, dancing and jumping all the way. Hip, hip, he saw a bird up in the sky. Wait for me, he said, I can fly. Flap, flap wings, oh no, not him. He slipped and fell in a bucket, splash. So dim, here. He laughed out loud. That's okay, I'll learn something new every day. Chotu says, be brave. Be brave. Chotu says, be curious. Curious. Try new things, don't have fear. Don't have fear. Let joy guide you right here. Right here. Hop like a bunny, run like a deer. Try new things, don't have fear. He shook off water, gave a grin, then twirled right back and started in. Oops can be funny, Chotu said.